What's going on YouTube, and this is Every Tech Time again, and today I will do a video tutorial on how to install Windows 2000 Advanced Server in VirtualBox. So yeah, this is Windows 2000, the Advanced Server edition. So yeah, and as usual I will provide the links to the ISO for Windows 2000 Advanced Server and its product key if it asks you for one, which I'm sure will ask me for one, but yeah, just in case I will provide that too. So yeah, I will provide those as usual, and let's get started. So as usual, we're gonna create a new virtual machine and call it Windows 2000 Advanced Server. And right here it says Windows 2000, so we're gonna click next. And then 160 megabytes is fine, so next. And now we're going to create a virtual hard disk, VDI and dynamically allocated, and 4 gigabytes, create. Now in settings, we're going to go to storage, and then click on the CD image, and then choose a virtual optical disk file. And here you go, here's the ISO for Advanced Server, so do that, and then there you go. Now press OK. And now we're going to start our virtual machine, and it will enter the setup from there. Alright, so now we're going to press enter. And this is our licensing agreement. So just press your page down key on the keyboard. And now press F8 on your keyboard to agree with the license agreement. And now we're going to press enter to install, because we don't need to create a partition. So yeah, just press enter. Now we're going to choose NTFS, and it will format the disk and the setup. Alright, we can just press enter since we don't really want to wait for this. But that's up to you, so yeah. Alright, so now it's in the setup right here. So welcome to the Windows 2000 setup wizard. So click next. And now this time it's gonna take several minutes. So yeah, we'll just be patient. Alright, so now it's finished configuring the setup. So we're gonna click next in the regional settings for Windows 2000 Server. We're going to enter our name and organization. Well, of course, organization is optional, but I'm going to put that in anyway, just because. Alright, here's our product key. So like I said, I will provide the product key in the description along with the ISO image for Windows 2000 Advanced Server, so just bear with me on this while I type in the key. Alright, so now we're just going to click next since this is fine. And now this is our computer names, and administrator passwords are optional in this operating system, so we're just gonna skip that. So yes, everything in here is fine. So click next. Now I'm gonna change my time zone to the one I'm comfortable with, which is Central Time US and Canada. Now we're gonna click next. And it's going to install our network settings. So yeah, typical settings are recommended, so click next. And no computer is not on a network, so yeah, that's fine. We're not using a network on this since this is just a virtual machine, so click next again. Now it's going to install the components. And it usually says it's going to take several minutes, but usually it goes a little faster than that. Yeah, freaking Microsoft is wrong again. Well, they're not always wrong, but I guess this time they were. At least, yeah. Okay, so the setup is complete, so we're gonna click finish. Now it's gonna take us to the actual operating system. Well, that's big. Now we don't need that. This is just a thing for Windows 2000. Configure server. Alright, so here is Windows 2000 Advanced Server in action. And to prove to you that this is Windows 2000 Advanced Server, I'm going to go to my computer and properties. And yeah, this is the system properties with, yeah, it's like, yeah, this is good at least. At least all the toolbars and crap are gone, so yeah. All the toolbars, yeah. Ta-da! And this is Windows 2000 Advanced Server, version 5.0, build 2195, Service Pack 4, and physical memory 171,504 kilobytes. Now let's see how Internet Explorer's like on here. Or not. Well, oh well, we really don't need internet on these virtual machines. Although sometimes you might want it to like browse the web whenever you want to when you're in a VM. But yeah. Okay, so that's how you install Windows 2000 Advanced Server in VirtualBox. So yeah, it worked good for me, so it should work for you. So anyway, this is Every Tech Time, and don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more tech videos like this one. That said, this is Every Tech Time, and I'll see you next time.